Yo, what's up, guys? This is gonna be day 8. We're trying to get better at PvP.
Holy Abe! Oh, I hear my.
Yeah, so I am so incredibly sick. But it feels weird being back in VR again. No, I'm stuck in. Yeah, it's gonna take me like a few games to get adjusted to this.
Get out, buddy. Get out. Don't throw any of our Krista. Oh, I'm on blue team. There's someone here.
Yeah, so, yeah, this is gonna be uploaded really late. Really appreciate the support. I mean, I kind of hope we can go viral. I mean, like, that's kind of my dream.
This is huge. Chad, this is huge. We did it. Oh, we did. Are we? No.
Yeah, okay, I seriously need to recover.
No,
but this is what school does to it. Like, it really makes us forget shit. I mean, like...
Please, Pete, I need this. My mom is kind of home.
Dude, I'm absolutely selling. I mean, like, I don't know what Pete is just right from this.
Oh.
No, like, you see me.
Yeah, okay, dude, I need to walk in.
How much ammo does this have? Oh my. Oh, cause this is
On the auto.
3 kills, and that's it.
Yo, man, I'm
Yeah, I'm sort of on kills. But yeah, now I'm used to being back into VR. After
Victory
fucking
Royale,
4
bitches!
days.
GG's.
No, who said that, buddy?
GG's.
There we go. No,
I said GG's, are you done?
He's literally reporting me over a ganja.
hey, dude.
Shoot that little guy.
I want.
Dude, come on, I'm not that short in real life. I'm like 5'9".
You have good game?
That's it.
Who's good in here?
Oh God, I don't like this. I don't like this.
No! Who's the best in here?
Oh my god, I'm so incredibly short.
7!
Yo, who's the best? Who's the best in this lobby?
6, 7.
No, I couldn't get my beans. I don't know how to play. I'm new. Please, Pete, I need this.
Oh, you're good. Yeah, you're actually good.
Yeah.
There we go, that's my first kill. You're already dead? Okay.
Yourself, Blue?
Oh, damn. Oh god, that was such a depressing
Chick, bang.
Nah, bro, that was such a depressing death.
I'm supporting you.
Okay, bro, it sounds good.
For what? I'm gonna kill you.
Nah, bro, that sounds good, Yo, I'm sort of locked in. I mean, I've gotten 3 kills so far. I mean, not the best. I mean, also not the worst.
Oh!
Yeah, but I know that somebody's gonna probably be around this corner.
Bad boy, very bad.
Oh god, no, my butt is facing right upwards. Okay,
Poor
oh,
him
you're
that
dead.
he didn't get the shot. So buns.
Bro, what is with the
He
lag?
still didn't get a shot.
Okay, dang it, I did not see you. Yeah, my cough has only gotten worse, so I'm 100% going to the ER after this.
He's coming, guys!
Oh dear lord, no, okay.
5 nights at Freddy's, oh yeah, this is a song about fire!
Okay, there we go, mine's like the last few.
Hey, don't blame them on me!
Okay, that's the first time I died, like, at, like, the end of the game without somebody actually killing me. I mean, without killing myself, I mean.
We're using the chat!
I show you. I'm the best in the server.
Okay, there we go, it's high.
And I'm about to leave the server. Cause you lag.
Hey, yo, Mr. Penguin, dude, could I get some beans?
Yes, if you is on my team, then you may have bean.
Okay.
No.
I want some
No,
fun.
you is not. Here, take the bean. Elephants, take the bean. And eat the bean.
I want some
Okay,
fun.
here, friend.
Hey, go. You want some beans? Here, take some beans.
Here, dude, have this, have this, have this.
Who else is on my team? Hey, pup.
Oh, dang it, I was gonna offer him some broccoli as a blessing. Broccoli is good for you kids. Eat your broccoli. Oh no. Okay, that was kind of on me, like, my aim was a little bit bad. Why are my arms so long? I mean, yes, I know I have naturally long arms. Don't know how I got it. Ugh.
Oh no!
Yeah, I see you up there, bro. I see you.
Someone just call me a cunt.
No, I didn't. I see you. Bobby, where did they... Okay, that's clever, that's clever. Yeah, again, no clue how long this will be. I mean, I guess we'll just have to sort of find out. Okay, nope, no one over there.
See her? I see you as well, you.
Yeah, I don't know why I'm so itchy, bro. Like, it's unreal.
Oh, hell no! What in? Little Timmy?
Dude, I'm like 15 years old. I'm not a little Timmy, bro. Yo, B, I'm not a little Timmy. I'm like 15 years old. If you were talking to me, I don't think you were, though. Sorry. Sorry. Okay.
Let's go and head and win this, guys.
I was stuck! Also, despite being, like, very incredibly sick, I'm still in a very I'm still in a very good mood.
GG's.
How did I break that last crystal with just one shotgun in my hand?
Shotguns are overpowered, man. And that's probably how you broke it.
Bro, can I not be respectful? Like, oh my gosh, bro. You're just so toxic. Like, shut up, bro. Oh my gosh, I do not want to hear you yapping, gang. I do not want to hear it, bro. You're just mad, you're just mad. Oh my gosh, bro. You're just trying to fuck, bro. Oh my gosh.
Yo, dude, what are you doing?
Every single shot counts.
Okay, so I should be able to unlock some things now, right? Hold on, let me see. Should I change my
No, I
color?
didn't, you stupid fuck.
I mean, that is a weird color, although I kind of like it. Weird is good. That's what they all say. So, damn, it looks like I'm saying peace. Damn, bro. Nah, bro, that gorilla be chill as fuck. What the hell?
I'm very despicable.
Nah, dude, I wonder what kind of despicable things he's gonna do to me. Very despicable.
Our pride.
I was close to breaking it, to be fair.
Yes, sir. Let's go, Black.
Okay, now the team's becoming too cracked. I might have to join a new team.
Guys.
Yes, sir. But GG.
GG.
There we go.
Wait. Yo,
Who wants to
yo,
miniature
friend,
broccoli?
watch this. I'm Spider-Man. Yo, this is sick.
Hey guys, watch this.
Oh, come on.
Where's Bingo?
I guess this tree is not gonna be climbed. I don't know yet.
I'll give it.
Huh?
Okay, that's my first kill and also my first death.
I'm Gojo. Never die.
Oh god, I thought it was cooked there for a minute. I genuinely thought it was cooked. Okay, yes sir, and we won. Okay, so that's how you get good. Okay, that's how you get good. Now, dude, despite being sick, I
Yo,
still
this
feel
is
pretty
so
good.
fun. I think I could go to
I want beans. I want beans for free.
I want beans for free, dude.
Hopefully this lobby isn't trash like the last one that I eliminated. If it is, I'm going to cry.
Yo, dude, I want some beans.
You already have
Here.
some, damn.
You guys
Thanks,
are
dude.
literally sharing beans. Oh.
There's some. There, beans. I want some. Give me some beans.
Nope, too bad. You're not getting any.
Bro, my friend, with the heart thing.
Watch this. Red team.
a burrito.
Yep.
You made my.
Yo, dude, he looks so depressed right now, it's unreal.
Holy spot.
I'm still alive.
Man, your teammates just went.
Oh, and I think I might have lost my fart power, I don't know yet. Okay, yep, I lost my fart powers. Dang it, bro, that's always such a bad time whenever you lose your fart powers. Oh, dang, bro, I'm not cooking off. It's still trash.
Yeah, we're dead.
Oh no.
This is you.
Let's go.
Who's the best player?
Who's the
Dude, why am I
best
so
player?
itchy?
Who's the best player?
Somebody
here?
throw beans. Somebody
I
throw
want
beans.
free beans. Guys, I want free beans.
Yo, who's the best player in here?
I'm not the one that's asking,
Probably
bro.
me. Probably me. I ate kills that one time last round.
Who has beans?
Hey, you kind of look like you're good at the game, though. I'm not gonna lie.
Guys, beans
Man,
over
I don't
there.
need beans. I have
Beans
OP
over there.
beans. I just have normal phone. Man, I just have an.
Yes, let's see if I finally unlock something in this shop.
Lots more beans.
Give me beans.
Me.
You said move turn when you double jump.
Yeah.
Not double jump, but like.
Oh, all of this
Oh, yeah,
stuff is
you
way
just-
too
You said move turn while you
Wait,
do
man,
it.
I'll show you. I'll show you how to super jump.
Oh yeah, that's right.
yeah.
Let's play a game.
Yeah, why am I red? I was blue. How do you know that? I was blue. You can't even see. Yeah, oh my god, I was blue.
Okay, now this team is becoming too bad.
We are miners. Yes, we are.
I'm a miner, bro. No, I'm actually a miner.
Now, well, the team is becoming too good, bro. I have to switch teams.
Man, let's go. Come on, we got mine.
You're mining for miners. Hey, yo.
I love mining for miners.
Yo.
Hey, you're a predator then? I guess
Come
you're a predator.
here. I'm gonna stretch you.
Dude, no, I'm not a predator. I'm 15 myself.
Bro, let me give you your payment.
Yo, you do not sound dirty.
Everyone, get this. Get 2 rockets. I know we talking about.
I mean, my grandpa talks with little girls online, and I don't call him a predator. I just call him a creep.
You do not sound like this.
Like this. No, like 2. You need 2. I'm Eagle.
I mean, my grandpa talks with little girls online, and I don't call him a predator. I just call him a creep. Big difference there.
You're good.
And also, that's a joke. My grandpa died. I mean, my grandpa died like 30 fucking years ago.
About to die, monkey boy. Black double. Let us know. There's some sperms in the son of a.
Okay, so I'm on red team. Wait, bro, like, just jump down.
Hope you guys were laughing.
Dude, I definitely gotta take, like, a fucking shot after this, bro. Like, I am way too itchy.
What the heck?
But why am I so itchy, man? This is unreal. Like, I've been left.
Oh my god, my team's
Oh, I look so depressed.
just a few people. Oh my
No
god.
way, yo, we just got defeated.
Dear Lord, but why am I so itchy? Oh, wait, and I think you might have accidentally made me press join new lobby.
My name is John Marston.
Look at my beautiful boy. Stop cheating.
I'm not cheating, little bro. Dude, that's how you've been destroying me, and I haven't been able to hit you perfectly.
Hello? Hello? I'm just gonna... Oh, man. Oh,
What the fuck is this?
me. I'm back.
Bye-bye.
Dude, who is paying $29 for a skin pack? Most certainly not me, bro. Like, that is way too overpriced.
Children, I love
Hold on, let me do that
you.
again.
Stanton, like always.
Yeah, there's nothing useful in there.
Hello?
I got stuck. What the hell?
I'm gonna try it. Safety doesn't know that you're about it. You know what that's it. Boy!
Oh, damn, he looks like he was holding his heart.
Oh, you got a gal!
Okay, that was scary. It actually felt like I was falling for a minute. I'm safe inside my room. Yet somehow my somehow my small ass excuse for a room is big enough to play,
What the
Help!
hell?
I'm flying! I'm flying! I'm flying!
Okay, so my team is filled with little kids. Okay.
dude, I'm not gonna say anything that will.
My team is always filled with little kids. Okay.
How old are they? They sound like they're like 3.
Nah, bro, this sounded they were just born, bro. Like, they actually pissed me.
Now, dude, the youngest person I met is like 3 years old, and I beat him to death with a pickaxe.
Yeah,
Who else here loves beating up little kids in virtual games and then getting away with it, knowing knowing that it won't matter?
Who's the best player in here? Best player in here, though.
Who's the best player in here?
I don't know. I'm definitely not. Can I say? Oh my god.
There's so many of them in our base.
Oh crap!
I know. I
Nice
think I
job,
know
bud.
who's the best player. It's me.
Oh yeah, that dude looks so depressed right now. Okay, that would have been an epic save if that happened. I mean, hopefully my cough gets better. Like, that's not as bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I might have to join a new server.
Hey!
Nah, bro, that kid genuinely sounds like fucking 2 years old, man.
1v2, I guess. 1v2. No. Oh my god, there's somebody. What the? Where's this minigame?
Yellow, this is a 1v1.
Oh, could it be a 1v2? Nah, bro, ain't no way I tried to do a 360 no scope on this.
No, bro, they even used to be a thing. Yo, chill.
Nah, bro, now random people are joining. Oh, shit.
Bro just got us.
Yeah, he got my ankles broken, bro. Good job.
Yep, good.
Kenny Carson, you're losing.
Gee, funny baby.
Damn!
She call me baby, She call me baby. She call me baby. She call me baby. Hell no. Damn, bro.
Damn,
Dude, my cough is way worse.
So Robert, and she's she has a fractured leg. Mommy! Hey, Mama! Mommy! No, you know the fishing tournament when she caught a fish?
Nah, bro, come here.
And she went to get him and she heard a crack up on her foot. She went to the hospital and they said it was normal.
Call me baby.
Oh, yeah, that felt really good. Superman!
I'm winning.
You guys, do you know what it's doing?
Oh shit, That was actually kind of impressive. Yo, I actually got him. Bitch, you ain't haunting shit.
My God. What's up, homie?
Oh shit, bro.
Well, there's a giant on our team.
Now, did you know it's bad if I'm getting cooked by literal infants, bro?
Oh, I protected. Oh, the giant.
But what is this, man?
No, I'm too fast! I'm too fast! Wait, just give me a second chance, I wanna be big! I wanna be big!
No, the giant.
Bro, the temptation is...
Well, we did the boat.
My aim kind of sucks.
Bro, we only started like...
Why am I sweating? I should not be sweating right now. I'm not even
What about me?
Okay, I'll do it in a minute.
How do I join center? Ah! Yo, someone left, someone left. Someone left. You need to. Oh, 2 people left. Oh, we need more people. Ah, someone joined. Yo, no, someone. Ah. Cosmic Wolf Wing 5534. You must leave the code. You're getting banned.
Okay.
Bye, guys. Oh,
Yep, you're banned.
my aim trigger. Yo,
You're banned.
I could not stand a second without getting my head up there.
Didn't even hit me one. Is that Jeffrey?
I think I hit you once, but it was really bad.
What's up, Jeffrey?
Oh shit,
Sweet home
I know, you can stop repeating yourself. Bitch.
Use revolver.
Oh, dang, I got. Yo, good defense. I'm
Wait,
good.
no, where's my buddy?
Shotgun kind of.
Okay, that's just depressing, bro. Like, it looks like my buddy's rejected me.
Yo, there's someone above our tree.
Okay, I could have stolen that. Fuck, and I got caught. No. Like, my arm was literally stuck in the fence, bro. How are you supposed to hit that?
Please, go to please. No.
Let you what?
Why is he so smooth?
You got this.
Buddy's not that good. I mean, like,
Oh, got it.
yeah, I'm bad, but
I got
oh,
you.
oh, yeah, that dude's not having any babies. Rip his ball sack, bro. Nah, dude, after that, he's not having any children, man. Let go. Rip Bull's ball sack.
One, hey.
Okay, fine.
I got shot by a shardy.
Okay, hold on. Just let me leave.
I see you. Hey.
Okay, and that, my friends, will have to do it for day 8 of PvP. Obviously gonna do day 9, but, yeah, if you liked it, make sure to subscribe, and I will see y'all next time in day 9!